Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. My name is Lori and welcome to my 2024 Christmas series. In today's video, I have some really easy to make tree ornaments using Hobby Lobby items. So if you like easy to make home decor all on the budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have two ceramic ornaments from Hobby Lobby. I removed the hanger from the tree ornaments. I painted the trees with the DIY Salty Kiss paint and the round ornaments with the crimson chalk paint from Waverly. When the paint dried, I brushed DIY liquid patina on the ornaments to seal the paint. I picked flower transfers from the IOD Candy Cane Cottage book. I rubbed the flower transfer on the red ornaments using the tool the transfer book came with. After the transfers adhered to the ornaments, I stringed a piece of jute twine from the Dollar Tree on the ornament to make a hanger. I brushed DIY dark wax on the green tree ornaments, rubbing off the excess to give them a rustic look. I stringed jute twine at the top of the ornaments to make a hanger. And I think these turned out beautiful and elegant. Let me know in the comments what you think of these easy to make ceramic ornaments. For this DIY, I have a package of ornament bulbs, snowball pebbles, snow and holly picks from Hobby Lobby. I removed the cap from the bulb and filled the bulb halfway with snow pebbles. I cut a piece of holly from the pick and placed it inside the bulb. And added 2 red berries. And I placed the cap back on the bulb. I added glitter snow to another bulb halfway. I added a piece of jute twine on the top to make a hanger. I decided later to add a piece of ribbon around the cap to give it more color. Unfortunately, I didn't record that part. But this is how these cute bulb tree ornaments turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think. For this DIY, I have some cinnamon sticks. I placed 4 sticks together, wrapping a piece of jute twine around the center to hold them together.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time
I have some ribbon from Hobby Lobby and wreath ornaments from Walmart that I had left over from last year.
we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
I glued a piece of ribbon on the jute and wrapped it around the cinnamon sticks several times.
And it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget.
I glued a mini wreath on the ribbon and made a hanger with a piece of jute twine. And that was it for these simple and easy to make cinnamon stick tree ornaments.
Glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace.
I hope I inspired you today with some new Christmas tree ornament ideas for this year. I want to thank everyone for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.